It's the Channel Seed Game of the Week. York kicking to Aurora. This will be fielded on the near side at about the 8-yard line. That looks like Dibburn across the 20, 25, got a hole. 35, 40, wrangled down from behind across the 40-yard line to about the 43 and actually had to hesitate just a little bit. And then with the power toss and just powering through, and the ball came out, and Aurora's got the football. Coffin with the carry, and coming up with it for Aurora looked like Kyle Schmidt, one of the inside linebackers. Fake the jet sweep, fake the handoff. Fox rolling to his right. Has some time, fires it into the end zone. It is caught. Touchdown. Not a great snap. Aurora comes after it. The Huskies have blocked it. Bolton into the end zone. Touchdown. Late shift. And they want a pop pass. And now Califf will roll. He's got pressure. Spins away from one. Flips it forward. It's picked off. It's picked off. The Huskies have got it. Down the near sideline. Going with it. Cutting back to the inside. At the 10. Tripped. No. Into the end zone. Touchdown. Kyle Schmidt. Fox under center. Toss sweep. Dibburn. Cutting back in. Sliding into the end zone. Touchdown. Huskies. 3 receivers in a bunch to the right. 1 all the way out by himself in the left. And now they will throw the deep pass, and it is over the middle. It is caught, and it's going to be gone for the touchdown. Nick Pettygrove on 3rd and 12 will take it 63 yards for the score. And I don't think the Huskies have to even snap it, and that is, in fact, exactly what the case is going to be. Kyle Peterson is saying, you know what, we will take 24-7, I should say, and we will go to the halftime break. Looking the right the whole way. Little backdoor or back shoulder pass, and it is intercepted. Picked off by Todd Honus. And it's Dibburn trying the left side. He's got a block on the edge. 45, 50, foot race near sideline. There goes Preston Dibburn. 10, 5, touchdown, Huskies. Now an empty set for York. And this is Schultz right up the gut. There goes JJ. Touchdown, Dukes. Everybody else up for the York defense. Play action. Fox rolls right, sets up, fires it deep. Honus is out there, adjusts. He makes the catch. Inside the 10, down to the 6-yard line. 1st and goal, Huskies. Toss sweep, Dibburn, left side. Going forward, powers it, got it, touchdown. All right, so we're back. It is 3rd and 9 for Aurora from their own 7-yard line. Fox over the middle, and it is picked off. It is picked off by Jackson Coffin, coming to the near side, and he will return it down inside the 5 at the 4-yard line. And the toss to Kowalski right side, and he walks into the end zone. Onside kick near side, and it's loose again, and the Dukes, I think, have got another onside kick. They do. They will give it right side, and it's Kowalski on the score. 4-yard touchdown run by Alex Kowalski. Oh, I do see Schultz. He was hiding. Now he's in the slot. Takes off down the field. Califf looking. Now fires it over the middle. It is caught. That's Roney. He's got a block. He's got down the near sideline, and Roney is going to score all the way for the Dukes. There are no flags on the field. That is 67 yards. Holy cow. What's happening in Aurora? York with a shift over. Now Luther will get this kick. It is rolling, and did York touch it? Before the 10. Boy, it sure looked like that, but we're a lot farther away than the officials are. Nobody's really jumping on either side, and now the Huskies say, we're going to get the football, and they will. What a crazy end to this game. Fox will take it, take the kneel down, and that will be your ball game. The Aurora Huskies, 9-0 in the regular season, and they will have one of the top spots in the Class B playoffs. The York Dukes will be 8-1 in the regular season. A lot of respect out there. Gavin Rush, Marvin Lazo, sharing an embrace. Those guys battled hard all night. But what a game from these two. And perhaps a playoff meeting still coming up in their future. But what a fantastic game here tonight. Final count, Aurora 38, York 35. Thanks for tuning in on the Aurora Strive channel for our Channel Seed Game of the Week.